What's taking you so long?
Coming, darling. Just hold on.
Okay, babe, we're running out of time.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure that my place is alright. I'll be right outside now.
Babe.
How are you?
Okay.
How you doing? OyikoTv. So I'm leaving this house now. I want you to take very big care of my house. I don't want any debts and errors in my house. You know I like my house.
Yes, sir.
God bless you. God bless you. And I'm a very careful person.
Okay. Babe, let's get going. You know what it is.
Yeah, we are. So, see you later. Be fast, oh, be fast. Follow me, I beg.
Wetin be this? Jesus. Madira. Woba. Alama pa ni orisori o si.
Baby, I'm against the truth.
OyikoTv, sir, come. How are you?
Okay, fine.
So, get me the remaining drink from the fridge.
Okay, madam.
That's not your business. You went out. Just get me the drink. OyikoTv, you got one cup. Get one more cup. Me and you.
Okay.
OyikoTv, I want us to have a chair. Sit down with me, my brother. Sit down.
Okay, so sit down.
I'm happy today. Yes.
Okay, you money.
Yeah, I'm happy today. Hold it first. I'm happy today, you know. You are going to have a chair. You see, I'm giving you this expensive drink.
Add more. Add more.
My brother, OyikoTv, I love you. You don't know. You know I've always loved you.
Sweet.
Big man drink.
I say, just. I want to celebrate.
Huh?
It's what they celebrate.
I'm just happy for us.
Yeah.
You've been my loyal worker ever since.
Guys, I
love you.
Thank you, guy.
No.
I got chest.
You know what home is? Cheers. It's a good life.
Good life. Hey, enter body.
OyikoTv.
Sir, I feel go now, guy.
Now, I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
So you like my wife, Abby? You like it now, they enjoy you. They want to enjoy with me and they enjoy, but
Oh, yeah. Maybe not the drink the sorry, I will tell you. No, I don't know.
normal. I'm talking to you and you were putting your hand on by your head over at me. You go cough tire. You are going down.
Okay.
You are enjoying what I'm enjoying. Oh, you think I didn't see you guys? Oh, you think I didn't see you guys? You are dying today. I'm pausing your drink. Okay. You are going down. You want a chop, waiting your guy the chop. It's done for you, my brother. Enjoy your bet. While I drink.
Okay.
Blood of Jesus.
I drink to your death. In your next life, you will avoid people's wives.